Hey guys, I'm Nina. And I'm Randa. And today we are trying Ariana Grande's diet. Now, a lot of you probably know that Ariana Grande is vegan. We researched online and her trainer says that Ariana Grande follows a very macrobiotic-ish diet. Nobody can be totally sure about what Ariana Grande eats in a day, except for Ariana Grande. We found this information online from her trainer, so we're gonna try our best to emulate what we think Ariana Grande's diet is. So what is macrobiotic? It is a diet with roots in traditional Japanese food. A macrobiotic diet emphasizes on eating very little animal products, which we already know Ariana Grande is not eating because she's vegan. A macrobiotic diet focuses on whole grains, especially from rice, and it also includes beans, legumes, some fruit, and fermented vegetables. And it also says to have very limited oils. And I was like, it seems that Ariana Grande is eating McDougal, but we're calling it macrobiotic. This article reads that a fully macrobiotic diet will also eliminate processed foods such as coffee, alcohol, any kind of sugar, and fruit juices. I think this is gonna be really easy because it sounds like we already eat very similar to Ariana Grande. For breakfast, we decided to make a rice-based porridge. For this recipe, all we did is add 2 cups of white rice to our Instant Pot. Short grain. We chopped 2 apples, took 3 large bananas, and blended it with 5 cups of water to make banana milk. Yeah, you could use oat milk, but we just wanted to make our own banana milk. Then we added a pinch of cinnamon, and we clicked our rice setting on our Instant Pot, and it took around 15 minutes to make. And then once it was ready, we added some fresh frozen blueberries. Online, Ariana's trainer said that she loves to eat lots of fresh blueberries. So do we. So we added it to our breakfast. This is our first time trying a rice oatmeal pudding. Okay, we put frozen blueberries in it too. Whoa.
Wow. I'm gonna start making that in the morning. Oh my god,
it's like
so
a banana
easy.
bread.
Try this, let us know in the comments if you guys are gonna eat this.
I like the way you lick the bowl.
You lick the bowl, you lick the bowl, da-na-na-na. It touches my soul, touches my soul.
I could really picture myself eating this breakfast long term. It's fun to switch it up from oatmeal. For lunch, we made what we like to call a Buddha bowl. We cooked up some Japanese sweet potatoes and garnet yams. Added a Japanese sweet potato to our Buddha bowl, some brown rice that we cooked up in our Instant Pot, as well as some pinto beans that we also cooked up in our Instant Pot. Then we added some spinach to get in those greens. Then we added some sauerkraut, which sauerkraut is a very popular thing in the macrobiotic diet. We actually just happened to get into sauerkraut. It's fermented veggies. There's a big emphasis on eating fermented sea vegetables, and sauerkraut is basically cabbage but fermented for a few weeks. Or it's also like fermented cauliflower with cabbage, like different vegetables, and it is so tasty. It's kind of sour and tangy. It kind of smells weird, but I am obsessed with it. It's supposed to help your gut biome, and it's very probiotic, so I always like that too. And we also flavored it with our favorite condiments like salsa and other spices. I think this is such a great meal to eat because it's so healthy, it's so filling, and it's tasty. So good, and it's great, especially if you have to like work out a lot. You want to have enough energy, especially for Ariana because she's like running all over the stage. That probably takes so much energy. She probably has to eat a good amount of complex carbohydrates just to keep her energy levels up. For dinner, we kept it simple and we steamed up some asparagus, broccoli, and mushrooms, just chopped it up, put it in the wok. We added some water so that it didn't stick to our pan. We paired it up with some lentil soup that I also made in the Instant Pot a few days ago. And all it is chopped celery, chopped carrots, chopped onions, lentils, and water. Then I added some rice and we added some sauerkraut again to get those fermented vegetables. Also amazing flavor. So this was our dinner. It's again super filling. Like we said earlier, the Japanese focus on eating a lot of rice, so we had rice a lot today. And then for snacks, we also had some nectarines. We felt very satisfied, healthy. We enjoyed all the food. I think it's super great and inspiring that Ariana Grande promotes whole foods, plant-based eating. Clearly, she's a very smart, hardworking, and intelligent woman. So girl power, woo! We actually met Ariana Grande like 6 years ago for her first music video before she was really big. Before she blew up, and she's very tiny in person, super cute, nice and sociable, and her mom was there too, and they're all, it's a very nice family. Hopefully you guys learned some recipes that you guys can eat too. If you guys think that this kind of diet is difficult to eat, could you eat the Ariana Grande diet? Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out our other diet related videos. We also tried the Victoria's Secret model diet, so you guys would like that that too, I think.
Whose diet should we try next?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. And we will see you next video.
Bye.